Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can activate fingerprint animation when you're scanning your fingerprint on the lock screen. So take a look. Let's turn on the fingerprint sensor, and when I use my fingerprint there is no animation. So to enable it you have to move for the biometrics and the security settings. Go for the fingerprint, input your PIN code, and then find show animation while unlocking. Then tap on the switcher to adjust it, to activate. And when you lock our device and put our fingerprint right here, as you can see right now, there we got the animation. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.